What's up, guys? Welcome back to the yard. Today we're going to be changing and replacing this grill on this 07 Chrysler Aspen. It can be from 07 to 09 because they didn't make any more of these. So that's what we're going to do today. We're going to be replacing this old, crusty, decrepit, burnt grill and replacing it. Okay? Let's get started. What you will need is a 1/2 inch or a 13 millimeter socket. So we can take these bolts off. And some type of, this is my homemade little tool that I pry these things up with right here. Stick it under there and just pry it up like that. So you need that. So let's get started. Let's do this. Shouldn't take that long. Okay, we already got the first one up. Second one, stick it under here like so. And push up. Again. Got that. That one's already popped up. This one over here. Homemade, so got, ain't perfect. There you go. Okay. So we remove this. I'm just gonna sit it right here. You don't do that. Don't do that. Might scratch your windshield. Now we gotta remove these 1/2 inch or 13 millimeter, whichever one you have. You like this? See? There you go. Removing and replacing this grill. Sit that to the side. Okay, loose. Get rid of this nasty, dirty grill. Okay, I think it's easy enough for me to loosen my hand now. Okay. 2. Oh, Lord. 3. 4. Okay. Grill just hangs a little bit there. And down in here, you see these little clips. I think you can squeeze them with your hand. Let's see. Squeeze them and just push out. Okay, that's one. That went back in again. Oh, man. But y'all get the gist. Mine just came on out. But just that simple. We'll take this thing. It's the old one. Now let's get the replacement. Everything, this is okay. Got a little bit burnt right here, but it's good. Hell, I'm missing one right here. And I'm missing one over here. Oh my God. I didn't know that. Well, anyway. Once you screw it down, you won't be able to tell. So what we'll do, we're gonna hold on. I have to take one of these off the old one. Okay, let's get one off the old grill because we're missing that one. That we could take it off of this one, but take it off the old one since we're not going to use them anymore. Anyways, let's see. Same things we at here. Okay. I'm gonna have to sit that right here, guys. Let me get this off, okay? Okay, got it off. Now let's put it on this one. I think it goes in there like that. There it goes, it's in there. So, put it on like so, make sure they all go back, pop in. Of course, I only got 2 working ones, so both of mine are already popped in. Now, let's put a screw in. Put a screw in on in the center, one of the centers. Get it started. Okay. It's in. Now let's put another one in. Tighten them by hand at first. Get another one in. Okay. Last one. Okay. Now, let's tighten it down. Tighten them down. Just get them where they're barely that tight. Okay. Skip one. Okay, go back to it. You don't have to do it this way. That's the way I'm doing it. I do not know the torque ratio or whatever. I'm just tightening it. This is a grill, is it? You don't have to be crazy tight. So let's tighten up on them a little bit more. Don't have to be crazy tight, like I said. Do not over tighten, because you can crack this thing. This ain't real chrome. It's plastic. Okay? That's good. There you have it. That's how you remove that old burn up thing and replace a grill on a 07 through 09 Chrysler Aspen. Look at this thing. That thing is burnt. I wonder if I can sell this thing on eBay for like 25 bucks. 25 bucks. No, 30 bucks free shipping. 30 bucks free shipping. Think somebody buy it. 30 bucks free shipping. You can barely tell it's burnt with the hood closed. Okay. Next thing we'll be doing next, in another video, we're going to be changing these headlights. Okay? We're going to be changing these headlights because they're a little bit burnt too. See that? See that? See that? They're a little bit burnt. Right here. They're a little bit burnt. Especially this one. This one's even worse. See that? They don't put a look like that. They don't put a look like that. So we will be changing these next in another video. And when I find this thing, this little plastic piece that go on, this chrome plastic piece that go on the front of this bumper, I'm gonna change it too. But the next video, we'll be changing these lights, and then we will change this mirror. Yeah, because it looks fine. But this thing don't move up. It moves down, sideways, but it don't go up. So we will be changing that. Yeah. And there you have you guys. How to change, how to replace, how to remove and replace a grill on a Chrysler Aspen 07 through 09. Because they didn't make it anymore after that. So last year they made Chrysler Aspens 09. Recession time. Closed down the plant and everything. So let's close the hood. Oh, wait. I forgot I gotta replace this thing, guys. We gotta replace this. Yeah, we gotta replace the plastic, whatever you call it. Alright, so now you know what to do here. See these little holes right there, that little hole? Take it, flush it in there. This one got a hole. Oh man, I broke it. Oh man, I'm gonna have to replace that. I'm gonna have to replace that with another one. Yeah. I'm gonna have to replace that. Okay, take this one, plug it back in the hole. Take this one, plug it in the hole. And take this one, plug it in the hole. Take this one, plug it in the hole. So there you have it, guys. Got it. It's on there. Okay. Take these little flaps. Something I forgot to do. Put them on there like that. Yeah. Now, there you have it. There you have it. Professionally changed Chrysler Aspen grill. Need to get shined up a little bit, and it'll be like new. Okay, we gotta change this thing. Let me see if I got one back here. I had some, but I don't think they're. Yeah, this truck need cleaning already. Need cleaning already. Don't judge me, guys. This is not going to be the new dumpster, guys. This right here is the Chrysler, aka Big Christ. Not going to be a new dumpster. I think these are too big. Yeah, I think they're too big. Big Christ. Yeah, those too big. Too big. Let's see if I have some old ones in here. No, I don't. Well, anyway, we gotta get that one more of those. I can find them somewhere on any one of these other vehicles I got around here in the yard. Still working on that flex. Gotta watch out, hope no rodents ain't in here. This might work. It's small enough. Let's see. But I would like to have one of the other ones that's easy just to pluck on, but this might work. Let's see. Alright guys, let's see if this one works. think it will. Small enough. See that? See? Get it in there? Yeah, that works fine. Perfect. Perfect. See that, guys? Pulling up on it. That's perfect. So there you have it. We're done. We're done. Woo. Next video, these headlights gotta go. They gotta go. I mean, the headlights themselves look okay. On the outside look bad, but okay. It ain't burnt compared to when you compared to when I first got this truck. Go back and check out some other videos. You'll see. This thing was burnt pretty bad. It was burnt pretty bad. Now it's good. So these lights gotta go next. Gotta go. Yeah, but we riding now, baby. We riding. We on the road and everything. We riding. Hear me? They got power. Love the power. Power. Power, power. Alright, guys. That's the end of the video. Like, comment, share, subscribe. And we'll see you again when we're back again in the yard. The yard. Peace.